Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What do I even say? Like, what do I say? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't seen my last makeup video that was even better than this one, yes, better than this one, please go watch. Yeah, this is just like a fun summary. It's kind of giving me wow thoughts vibe, like mm, 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 wow wow whatever. But yeah, this is giving me like Rihanna vibes, summertime fine vibes. Sorry guys, there were a lot of clips in this video that were just lost, but yeah, if you wanted to see how I got this look, keep watching. Yeah, so here I'm just using my NYX Jumbo pencil in the color white. I'm just blending that out all over my eyelids with my finger, just so I can have a nice bright base for my light colors. Now I'm just using the NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm going to be using that really bright kind of ashy yellow color above my transitional, like above my, what is that area called? Oh, above my crease or my hood, and right under my brow bone. And now I'm just taking this foundation stippling brush just to blend that out into my brow bone, just because the length of the bristle gives it a nice soft blend. Now I'm just going back in with more color so that it can be really opaque. As a lot of you guys know, yellow is a pretty hard color to get to the full opacity when you're blending it. Now I'm just taking that orange color in the NYX Ultimate palette with the kind of mustard yellow color next to the first yellow color that I was using, and I'm using that in my crease, and I'm using that to blend out into the yellow that I just used. And because some of that first yellow got a little lost, I'm just taking a little more and just dusting that on top of the yellow so it can be brought back to life, because you know it just disappeared while I was doing the orange transition color. So we got to put that yellow back in because we didn't put it in for no reason, right? Right. Also, I wanted to tell you guys, unfortunately the foundation clip got messed up, so it's not in there either. I'm so sorry. But these are the glitters I got. The one all the way to the right came in a huge pack from Target, and the other ones were from Walmart and Michael's. So I'm basically just taking my NYX, what is that called? Yeah, my NYX liquid suede lipstick in the color Kitten Heels. It's basically just a red. I put that on my eyelid, and then I just used the NYX glitter primer, and now I'm just using that first red glitter, the one from Target that came in the multi-pack, and I'm packing that on. I did spray my brush just with whatever setting spray, just so the glitter can adhere to the brush and then to my eye. Now I'm going to be using the chunkier glitter after I'm done with my other eye, but I'm using the chunkier glitter, and you'll see a little later that I ended up trying to take some of the glitter off that was closer to my lash line. I did try to avoid it when applying, but some of them fell a little further down. But yeah, definitely try and avoid getting larger pieces of glitter by your lash line, because it just makes it so much harder to put your lashes on, and it just looks strange when there's like a giant chunk of glitter in between your eyelid / lash line, and then there's like a lash band there. I don't know, it's a lot easier. I have problems, it's hard for me to apply my lashes, especially when they're like the really big ones that I wear. It's a lot easier if there's room there. So yeah, I'm just using my Duo lash glue to apply the chunky bits of glitter. And like I said, I'm trying to strategically avoid my lash line. I couldn't avoid it completely, so I did end up taking those pieces of glitter out. But yeah, now I'm just using the glitter paint from Michaels, and I'm just basically dabbing and swiping in specific areas that I feel like need more of a reflective look. For the base of my face, I will be using the Smashbox Pour, I think it's like, oh, what is that crap called? Oh, it's the blurring powder primer. And now I'm just using my NYX pore filler. And then I did use my Hourglass foundation that wasn't in there. I used my LA Girl Pro concealers, and bronzer. I used my Laura Mercier setting powder and my L'Oreal True Match in N7, I believe, to help bronze up my face. Nude lip is... Okay, so my nude lip, my lip products are... It's the NYXliquid Suede Lipstick in the color, what is this, Downtown something? In Downtown Beauty, and I put that on as a liner, and then I put the Absolute New York Modest Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one doesn't have a color shade on it, but this is what it looks like. It's like a mauve-y, brownie looking thing, and then I just put my lip gloss on. And I like this lip gloss because it's oily and not sticky, but I do wish I had my sticky one for this one, for this look, just because it stays on longer. Probably by the time this intro is over, it'll probably be done. Intro, outro, whatever is over, it'll probably be gone. So I will probably have to reapply it. Yeah, like I feel like I'm gonna have to. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that's dirty. Okay. Fix that. But yeah, guys, this is the look. Again, I used glitter paint. I keep wanting to say glitter glue. I feel like I said glitter glue in the last video. The black makeup, the black glitter birthday makeup video. Yeah, I feel like I said glitter glue in that one too, but it's definitely glitter paint. These glitters you can buy at the craft store, you can buy them at what's it called? You can buy them at Michael's, Walmart, and the third one of the ones is from Target. I will say in the video like which one is from which, but you can get most of them from Michael's and Walmart. Like they're pretty much the same. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. Let me know if you want to see a review on this hair. So my little summertime fine earrings, my little mamita sifuprica. I don't even know what to call these. These are like the Coca Cabana. These are giving me like Frida Kahlo vibes. But yeah, that's what that's looking like right now. Yeah, super cute, super fun. I feel like I love these glitter looks. Like, let me know if you want me to do more. Even if you don't, I probably will, because I'm really feeling these glitter looks. I don't know if I should do like a glitter series or I don't know, but I really like this look. I like the way my skin is looking. I filmed this twice. The first time I did it, I was kind of rushed, which I think is why I didn't really like it that much. Like, it wasn't a bad look at all. But I knew that I could do better. That we, you, me, us, could do better. And that's what I want for this channel. I want us to be better, to do great things. and not just, you know, shove out like half-assed work anymore like I was doing. I want to be more than content with my content. More than content with my content. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this look as much as I did. I feel like I have to like pry my eyes open because the glitter and the lashes are so heavy. I feel like I'm just like this, like giving mean bitch stare, like a mean resting bitch face, like a mean resting face, like mean, but it is what it is. And also this lip combo and like how glowy and I guess like luminizing my skin is, makes my teeth look really white. And I don't have the whitest teeth, but I'm just keeping it a buck with you. I don't, so I might do this look all the time. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to see more makeup looks like this. If you want to see something else, leave a comment down below. What else? I'm not wearing my contacts. If you guys didn't know, I do wear contacts. The green, not the green, the I think they're like hazel or like brown or something. I'm pretty sure they're hazel. Contacts. Well, if you guys are OG and you guys watched me like for a while now, you would have known I got the contacts for a Halloween tutorial a while ago. And those are my only contacts, so I was just wearing them as regular, and they were cute. Like, I have nothing against contacts. I have nothing against natural eyes. They're cute. Like, I wear them every now and then when I know I have a makeup look that's going to be really, really nice, like the black one. I'll put them in because I know that the contrast would look really nice with the contacts. Bloop. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you do recreate this look, you should tag me so I can see what you got. Wow, my mustache looking crazy. Looking low. Looking a little crazy. Looking a little crazy. But whatever. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video if you like. Subscribe if you want to see more. You guys know where to find me. Instagram, Snapchat at OliviaX3Hearts. Or you could stay right over here on this channel and watch more of me. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.